This is BeagleV-Ahead, a compact, affordable, open source yet extremely powerful quad-core RISC-V single-board computer designed to bring a new level of accessibility, performance and flexibility to the rapidly growing RISC-V ecosystem. Let's do a quick unboxing of our new BeagleV-Ahead board, then we'll go into some details. When you open up the box, first you will see a card with links for getting started and additional information. Removing the anti-static foam reveals our BeagleV-Ahead board, which is nicely placed inside this anti-static Ziploc bag, and just below that we have the antenna and a custom USB OTG cable. Now let's take our BeagleV-Ahead board out of its anti-static bag to take a closer look at it. Not obvious from top, but it's a 10-layer PCB with a beautiful sea green solder mask. On the front side of the board, we have Gigabit Ethernet, 16 GB eMMC storage, buttons, LEDs, barrel jack for 5V power input, UART and JTAG debug ports, microbus shuttle connector to connect clickboards, and 922-pin BeagleBoard cape headers to attach any BeagleBoard cape of your choice. On back side of the board, we have TH1520 quad-core RISC-V SoC from Alibaba's T-Head division, 2 MIPI CSI camera connectors, 1 MIPI DSI display connector, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module with UFL antenna connector, micro HDMI output, micro SD card slot, 4 GB LPDDR4 RAM, DA9063 PMIC from Dialog Semiconductors, a USB 3.0 connector which supports both host and device modes. You can see the Ethernet port and barrel jack peeking out as well. That was all about what's on board. Now let's connect the antenna. The UFL antenna connector is a bit fragile, so be gentle with it. First you have to properly align the connector pair and then lightly press to secure it in place. If you ever need to remove the antenna, you can use tweezers and gently pull it like this. The USB OTG cable included in the box can be used to attach USB devices to your BeagleV-Ahead board. And in that case, you have to power the board by supplying 5V via barrel jack. To connect the board to a PC via this USB 3.0 port, you can use either a standard micro USB cable and connect it like this, which will only support USB 2.0 speeds, or a micro B cable like this for full speed USB 3.0 connection. Both cable types are going to fit and perform well. The only difference will be the speed. BeagleV-Ahead empowers developers to explore new possibilities, accelerate their projects, and contribute to the advancement of RISC-V ecosystem. To know more about BeagleV-Ahead board, you can check out BeagleV-Ahead.org. See you in the next one. Until then, keep tinkering.